Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine, and for today's video, I will be doing something a bit different than my usual makeup content. Lately, I have been feeling really anxious and stressed out, and I know that some of you are also going through something in life. For me personally, makeup therapy or makeup in general really helped to calm me down and to have a small escape from all the negativity I've been going through. Makeup for me is some type of therapy. It gives me confidence, empowerment, and it helps to boost my energy throughout the day. For today's video, I will be doing one of my favorite easy, bronzy, glowy, glam makeup look. So now let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off with a bare skin. As you guys can see, this is how my skin looks like up close. I have a lot of dark spots and discoloration all across my face. Before I get started, I will be pushing my hair back using a seamless hair clip. To start off my skincare routine, I will first use a facial toner to remove any oil or excess makeup on my face. And then to moisturize my skin, I will be using first the dewycel ampoule cream. This is one of my favorite moisturizer because it's very lightweight and perfect for makeup application. Next, I will be using the dewycel Cica Plus Balm. I will also be applying this all across my face and also my neck. For underneath my eyes, I will be using the dewycel Eye Plus Cream. I always use my ring finger to spread any product underneath my eyes for a very gentle application. Moving on to the brows, I will first use the Got2b Spiking Glue Gel to set my eyebrow hairs in place. Then while waiting for the glue to dry, I'm just going to apply my contact lens off cam. And then right now, I will be using the C3R Dual Eyebrow Cake in the shade Gray Brown to fill in my brows. And then I'm just going to take a concealer to carve out my brows and to create a more defined eyebrow look. Now moving on to the base makeup, I'm going to start off by applying the Touch in Soul No Poreblem Primer. After priming my face, I will be mixing these two foundations from Focallure. I will be using the covermax foundation in the shade 04 and also the staymax foundation in the shade 03. I like to apply my foundation one side at a time, and I first blend it out using a foundation buffing brush, and then afterwards I go in with a damp beauty sponge to further blend out the product and to remove any excess foundation. To highlight and contour my face, I will be using the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Radiance Tint in the shade 06 Porcelain and 33 Toffee. Using the lighter shade first, I will be applying this underneath my eyes and any areas of my face that I want to highlight. I will also use this concealer as an eyeshadow base. So I will be also applying this on my eyelids. Going in with the darker shade, I will use this as my liquid contour. I like to use a synthetic brush to apply this on the contour areas of my face just to create a more seamless blend. To set everything in place, I will be mixing the Wet n Wild Photofocus Loose Translucent Powder and the Coty Airspun in the shade Translucent Extra Coverage. For my eyeshadow, I will be using the Morphe 35R eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start off with this shade right here and apply this as my transition shade. For my second shade, I will be using this shade right here. I will be using this to further define the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm also going to use a larger blending brush to blend out any harsh lines. With a smaller pencil brush, I will be applying the first two shades I use on my lower lash line. Next, I will be taking this darker shade and I will also apply this on the outer corners of my eyes, focusing it more towards the outer lash line of my eyelids. And then of course, I will be using a smaller brush to apply this on the outer corners of my lower lash line. For my eyelid shade, I will be mixing these two shades and apply this using a packing brush on the inner corners of my eyelids. Using a smaller brush, I will be using this as well on the inner corners of my lower lash line. Taking a dark brown gel liner, I will be doing a small wing on the outer corners of my eyes. And then I will be taking a darker brown shade and use this to smudge out the gel liner. And then whatever is left on my angled brush, I'm just going to apply this shade underneath my lashes, focusing it more closer towards where my eyelashes grow. After that, I'm just going to apply some mascara and false eyelashes off cam. And then I'm just going to take a dark brown eyeliner and apply this on the outer corners of my lower lashes just to define the lower lashes even more. For my blush, I will be using the Intuit Mini Heart Blush On in the shade 03, No Problem. Before I highlight my face, I'm going to spritz a little bit of this Luxe Organix Beauty Mist all over my face. For my highlighter, I will be using the Hojo or Hoho highlighter in the shade 02 Golden. For the last step guys, I will be using the Crave Cosmetics Milk Tint in the shade Brown Sugar all over my lips. And then afterwards, I will be taking the Pink Flush Velvet Lip Cream in the shade BB04 for the center of my lips. So that is it for today's makeup therapy video, and here is our finished makeup look. I hope that you had a relaxing, calming, and therapeutic time while watching this video. I am planning to make this as a series here on my YouTube channel, so I will see you guys on our next makeup therapy session. Bye guys!